The Supreme Court of Appeal (SCA) has dismissed Dr. Nandipha Magudumana's bid to have her arrest and deportation from Tanzania in April 2023 declared unlawful. The decision, handed down on Friday, marks a critical step in the long-running legal saga involving Magudumana and convicted murderer and rapist Thabo Bester. Magudumana, a disgraced medical doctor, was apprehended alongside Bester in Tanzania after they fled South Africa in the wake of Bester's audacious prison escape from the Mangaung Correctional Center. Their flight and subsequent arrest captured national attention, fueling a firestorm of media coverage and public outrage. The National Prosecuting Authority has welcomed the SCA's ruling, while the court's majority dismissed the appeal. It did acknowledge a minority judgment that supported Magudumana's stance. Nonetheless, the ruling paves the way for the state to proceed with its high-profile prosecution. The NPA spokesperson, Advocate Mthunzi Mhaka, said the NPA's prosecution team will now focus on ensuring that the trial, scheduled from July 21 to September 19, 2025, before the Free State Division of the High Court in Bloemfontein, proceeds without any unreasonable delay. Magudumana and her co-accused face a staggering 38 charges, including fraud, corruption, money laundering, aiding and abetting in escape, violating a corpse arson, and defeating the ends of justice. The breadth and gravity of these charges underscore the seriousness with which the state is approaching the matter. Mhaka emphasized the NPA's commitment to upholding justice and said we remain steadfast in ensuring that justice is not only done but seen as to be done, given the devastating impact these alleged crimes have had on the rule of law and the victims involved. With the legal battles far from over, all eyes will now turn to the upcoming trial, expected to be one of the most closely watched courtroom dramas in recent South African history. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.